Nathan came out early this morning and moved these guys. Charlie's over there laying down. Not sure if you can see him in the grass. Moved them to a new paddock. Gave them some fresh grass. They're busy eating. Ty's gonna start milking. He's brushing her down right now. And he's gonna wash her up. Get to milking. And we will get this up. Then go get busy on the food forest before the rain starts. Tina, are apples good? Are you enjoying the apple? You need to chew with your mouth closed.
Hey guys, welcome to Nine Homestead. Today I'm going to, right now I'm going to take some limbs and put them in the chipper pile or the brush pile. So I'm going to start doing that real quick, and then I'm going to head up once Mom comes back here, and I'm going to go get the camo four-wheeler and pull. Probably walk over here real quick so I can see. So I'm gonna be getting this one out of the, well, it's not really in the water, but off of here. I'm gonna take the four-wheeler, sliding y'all around too much. I'm gonna take the four-wheeler and just take it and back it up to here. Hook the chain up probably around right there. And pull it just straight up where those other trees were. I'm not going to be able to lift that onto the pile. Whew. I guess it's scoot it a little. Get out of my way. Alright, let's see, what can we do now? I don't know how much footage Mom got of me milking the cows. Whew. Look how open this is. It's so much more open now. And hopefully soon we'll get a mini X down here. And I'll have to talk to Dad more about it, but I wanna try to take the pond and possibly dig all the silt out, just so, and then we could take all that silt and put it on the pasture. And I think what I may do is, I think today we're going out to town. I think we're going to a farmer's market. I think it's in Lookout. I may be wrong. But we're going, I may stop by Tractor Supply or somewhere and see if I can find me some more mums. So go ahead, go in town and try to find some more mums. Well, I uncovered some grass, pulling all those leaves out. Alright, let's see. Now let's see if I remember how to unhook it. I'm gonna set y'all here. Oh, bring y'all over here. We gotta go to the farmer's market pretty soon. I think Mom said in about 45 minutes, and that was about 10 minutes ago. So in about 30 minutes, we gotta head out. Pull the phone close. Get some slack on this chain. Had to loop it all weird because how this tree was, we limbed it all up, and this part was the only thing closest to not the water, and then this was all over the water. But I would have tried to loop it on a bigger limb, but we limbed it all up. So I had to loop it all weird. But I think now I'm gonna try to get to this one. I don't know. Mom cut it, so I'm gonna probably have to make another weird loop right here, like 3 times, and maybe, I don't know. May leave that for Daddy, because he probably knows a better way to loop that with no limbs on it. But let's go over here under this tree, which I don't really want to get under it. But I'm gonna try to, oh yeah, that should be easy. I don't know how the footage will be of me doing this, but pulling the limb out, or the tree out's pretty easy. Just gotta make sure I don't fall. All the limbs. Yeah! Pull. Oh. Ow, I hit something and it pulled back on me. Alright, well that's out of the water now. That was pretty easy, and I already got that one out. Alright. In case y'all are wondering why I'm like, what should we do now, is because I didn't really have a plan to come down here this early. But I have to, because we gotta go to farmer's market. Like I said, I may try to convince Mom into stopping and get me some more flowers for this side, because all this wind's been knocking me down. I need to go to Track Supply, see if they have any more of these pots, or somewhere, and see if they got any more plastic pots like this, because they're getting super root bound. But I don't want to plant them quite yet. I'll scoot up to this flatter spot quite yet, because we're gonna keep cutting these trees, which I think as long as we keep cutting them across the pond, it should be fine. But also, I don't want to make it permanent until I have fencing back here and have everything set up in decent sized pots pretty soon. Like just station maybe like a pecan tree here and like an apple tree there. Low battery. I don't know if that blacked the screen or anything. But I'm gonna have a pecan tree there, apple tree there, pawpaw tree there, weeping willow. I know the weeping willow and the elderberries. I know the weeping willow is gonna go right there, or right there, and the elderberries are gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then weeping willow, basically where that tree is. Maybe a little bit over, but Gotta make sure I keep everything in pots, so until I'm for sure that I want it right there. Or because if I go ahead and plant it, yeah, I could take it up, but that would be too much work than if I just had some delayed, or not, whatever. But if I have delayed gratification, I can have everything stationed how it's supposed to be, where it's supposed to be, and what looks best and what is best. So, Mom is right now getting ready for the farmer's market. We're not going and selling there. We're just going to check it out, see if we possibly want to sell there by spring, or if we want to go to a different one. But, whew. And I still can't find the whoppers. So, oh, I say that, and there they are. So, I'm gonna attempt to set y'all up. Let's see. Jump up this log. And I am going to set y'all up on your little itty bitty camera and cut this. I don't know how the film footage is gonna look until Mom and me goes in and edit. Ow. I clean up around this log just so I can get in there and grab it without getting poked by the briars. Get them away. All right. I'm gonna try to look on Amazon and find me another tripod, a tall one. Because the brand I had, it was very cheap. I think it was like $30 for it, and it broke pretty quick. Now, broke this little one I had, but I took some of the parts that I had on the other one off and put it on this little one so I could make it work. So I'm not just holding the phone like this and filming for y'all. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little bell button, share this video with your friends and family. Y'all have a good one. God bless.